Hi, I'm Benjamin Loh, author of Master Math Models, a math series found widely in all the bookshops in Singapore, and also the lead tutor at Trinity Learning Center. Today, I'll be working on a question asked by a student regarding a ratio fraction combination question. Okay, so please get ready, get a pen, paper, get ready to write and learn. Let's go. Okay, so this is the question. As usual, the very first thing you should do in any question is to highlight the keywords. Okay, so let's begin with the keywords in this question. It says that Ellie and Dinah shared some lollipops in the ratio of 5:7. After Ellie had given 7/15 of her lollipops to her sister. So now, whenever you see a fraction, what you want to do is you want to break it up and ask yourself, what is the 7 and what is the 15? Okay, a fraction is really made out of two numbers, so each number should represent something. So what do you think is the 7 and what do you think is the 15? I'll give you a moment. Okay, if you're ready. If not, please pause the recording. 15 is her lollipops, and 7 would represent what was given to the sister. And of course, Dinah had also given 34 lollipops away to a friend. All right. Okay. Just a side note, do note that Ellie here, of course, would be the 5, and Dinah here would be the 7. Okay. Or if you prefer, if you find this messy, you can always put Ellie and Dinah. All right. If this helps you. Okay. Let's carry on. So next, it says that Ellie was twice as many left as Dinah, and the question is to find Dinah at first. Okay, so if you're ready, let's begin. Now, the ratio given is 5:7, so that means we will draw two models, one with 5 units and one with 7 units. All right, let's cut this up. 5 units will require 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 units, 6 lines. Okay, it's always 1 line less. Okay, I want to adjust this a bit. Okay, this is also why you want to use a pencil to draw your model. All right, so you can adjust it. Huh? You can't do what I'm doing. So let's write down here Ellie and here Dinah. Next, we know that Ellie had 15 units for her lollipops. But we can see that Ellie here is 5, and we need to change that into 15. So what do? Well, we know that 5 times 3 is 15, so that means I need to change each of these units into 3 units. Okay, by doing this, and the reason I got 3 is because of the number here, okay? And by doing this, I'm able to create 15 units. So just very quickly, I created 15 units. Likewise, Dinah, we have to cut her model into the same shapes. So now we do this. Okay, and we are done. Okay, next, we got to go back to our fraction. And my question to you is, out of the 15 here, how many did Ellie give away? Got it? Okay, the answer, if you said 7, then you are right. Because she gave 7 to her sister. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So after you take away 7, my next question to you is, this is gave to sister. My next question to you is, how many units does Ellie have left? Okay, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's if you want to count. Of course, you can also take 15 minus 7, all right? So that means she has 8 units left. Now let's go back to the question. There is another clue. It says here that Ellie was twice as many left as Dina. So that means Ellie's amount is twice of Dina's amount left. And since this is Ellie left and she got 8 units left, how many units does Dina have left? Okay, your answer should be 4. If you got that, fantastic. So this is what Dina has left. My next question would be, how many units then did Dina give to her friend? Now, before we go any further, I would like to remind you to please subscribe to the channel, to support the channel, and remember to ping that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming out to learn from. Okay, remember this is a recording. You can always go back to any point that you didn't understand clearly and watch it again. All right, let's get this done. So the answer is actually to take the total, which you can calculate by taking 7, which is Dina, times 3, and that gives me 21 in total. And if I were to subtract away 4 units, I should get 17 units left. Okay, did you get that? Let's label this. Okay, of course you could also count it, as in you can, manually just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can just do what I did. Okay, you can calculate it. Okay, next. There's another piece of information here we have not used. What is it? The answer is the 34 lollipops that Dina had given away. But we know that, oh, sorry, I made a mistake. This should not be 17 units left. This is what she gave to her friend. And what she gave to her friend was 34 lollipops. So 17 units was given to the friend, 34 lollipops was given to the friend, 17 units is therefore 34. So if 17 units is 34 lollipops, then 1 unit would be 2 lollipops. Okay, we can answer the question already. The question is asking, find the number of lollipops Dina had at first. So this is Dina, this is what she had at first. What do you think the answer is? Are you ready? She has 21 units at first, as you can see over here. That's Dina. And 1 unit is 2, as you can see over here, 2 lollipops. Therefore, we take 21 times 2. And that is the answer to the question. If you would like to have a clean copy of this worksheet, you can join my Telegram group found in the description below. I'll see you in my next recording. Bye-bye.